Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play My Love by Westlife on the piano. This timeless ballad is a favorite for many, and with a few simple steps, you'll be playing it beautifully. We'll begin by understanding the song's key and the foundational chords that form its structure. Focus on making your chord changes fluid and natural, ensuring a smooth flow from the very start. Now, let's dive deeper into the song's structure. The verse typically uses a repeating four-chord pattern, which is quite accessible. The chorus then introduces a slightly different, yet equally beautiful, progression that adds emotional depth. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing as you switch between these sections, aiming for a steady and expressive performance. With the chords in place, it's time to add the beautiful melody. Your right hand will play the main tune, while your left hand provides a gentle, rhythmic accompaniment. Start slowly, practicing each hand separately before bringing them together. The goal is to create a cohesive and rich sound, making sure the melody truly sings over the harmony. To truly bring My Love to life, focus on dynamics. Varying your volume from soft to loud adds immense emotional depth to your playing. Remember, consistent practice is key. Even 15-minute sessions daily can make a huge difference. Finally, listen to the original song often to internalize its feel and nuances, guiding your own expressive performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.